Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can adjust video quality settings on Facebook. So let's begin by opening the Facebook app on your device. On the lower right, tap your profile, then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy right here. From here, click on Cellular Data Use. In this video quality section, we have two options. First is this optimization, which we are using right now. The video quality may depend on how strong your internet connection is. So basically, if you have poor connection, videos may appear in low quality and vice versa. Lastly, the data saver, if you turn this on, all the videos on your Facebook account will appear in low quality regardless if you have a strong or poor connection. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.